Hello, I just finished mounting the L strip back to the reflectors. As you can see, this end I align with this end, this strip. The other one I align with this end, so that way won't have a darker spot on the corners. So let's get a set aside. Get a this plexiglass and assembly. So you have to clean a little bit because this is older screen. The easiest way to mount, I would say, I'm gonna put it on a piece of cardboard. I'm gonna flick over. Probably this is the easiest way to mount, hopefully. So why from this side? I just took this one out. See that? Oops. So make sure it's clean. Okay. Matches. Pretty good. Okay. So what I do is that because this is a wire gonna come out the side. Okay. See this? I would say hopefully it's easier to mount. And we're just gonna pop this one back. I'm gonna flick over. Show you. It's much easier to mount, right? So, and then of course, make sure it sit inside. Pretty good. Okay. Yeah. Push it. Make sure it doesn't stick to inside. Let me check this end too. Same thing on this end. Okay. Not sit all the way. What happened? It's not sit completely. Okay, so I had to tilt up this end to do a little bit adjustment here. Okay. Oh, I see why. It's not sitting all the way on this end. So I had to tilt up a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit. A little bit tricky than I thought. Now, it's good now. Okay. Now we're gonna probably put this wire. It's hard for me to show on the camera, but you know this wire. We're gonna put it like this. Coming out like this. Both ends do the same. Yeah. Okay, let me double check this end. Yeah, this ends all the way in. Okay. Well, I can do this later. Okay. Next thing, we're gonna set a diffusion chip back. Okay, I have a whole stack here. Make sure it's clean. I put a bit of marking here. All set. Now we just pop back the front bash. I mean this is a little bit dirty, so I have to clean a little bit here. Yep. Okay. Just snap it back. Four side. When you see the click sound, that means all the way in. Now, okay, this thing is, I wanted to secure these wires, so I'm gonna put the probably the tip here. So that way, let me get a 2 piece of tip here. You got a little bit scotch tip here to secure. And then just I show you when I finish it. Okay. Now you see what I mean? Put the tip, secure the wires.